Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My Best Friend. I have only one friend. His name is Umar. He is very active and smart. He is serious by nature. He is the son of a teacher. He and I have been friends since childhood. He is my neighbor. He is my class fellow. He is always neat and clean. He is very intelligent and hardworking. He is always helpful to others. We often go for a walk together. He hates bad company. He is not a bookworm. He loves cleanliness. He always stands first in the class. He is an ideal student.